A very good morning, students. Yesterday we were discussing about diabetes, and diabetes means excess amount of sugar level in the blood stream because of hormones are not produced or insulin is not produced to regulate the sugar, and amount of sugar increases in the blood stream is diabetes. Now, to cure the diabetes through different type of asana, number one, Bhujangasana. Front lying, keep your arms by the side of your shoulders and raise your body up. This is the way of doing, and benefit of doing this asana it is given here in the book. Go through, and contradiction is important. Those who suffer from hernia and back injuries and pregnant women also should avoid this asana. Then second asana is Paschimottanasana, that is long sitting with straight legs. Raise your arms up and straight bend forward, go closer to the legs. This is the way of doing. This also very helpful for curing your sugar level. What are the contradictions? Those who are having problem, suffering from liver problem, spleen problem, or appendicitis, they should never do it. Then those who are suffering from respiratory diseases, because you are going closer to the body, lungs are squeezed here, so those who are suffering from respiratory problem, they should avoid it. And those who are having back spinal problem, they also avoid this type of performing asana. Then next comes Pavan Muktasana. Pavan Muktasana is back lying with straight legs. Both legs, fold your knees closer to the chest, hold it with the arms and close them to the chest. At the same time, raise your head and touch your nose on the knees. This is the way of doing. When you are explaining the procedure, same way you can explain. And these are the benefits. What are the contradiction for this? First of all, pregnant women should avoid of doing this asana, and those who has gone for abdomen surgery, like any kind of ulcer, appendix or hernia, they should avoid doing. Those who are having heart problem or BP, high BP, they also should avoid doing this asana. And another thing, those who are suffering from piles, they also should not perform this asana. Next comes Ardha Matsyendrasana. Ardha Matsyendrasana, in this sit down with one knee folded, another leg place it against the opposite knee, and opposite hand armpit will come over the knee and hold the leg, and other hand will go behind, back side, and look back towards the hand whichever has gone back. This asana is also helpful in curing the diabetes. These are the benefits. And contradiction for this, first of all, pregnant women, and those are 3-4 months pregnant, they should avoid. Then those who are having problem of ulcer or hernia, they also should avoid doing this asana. And if anybody is having sciatica nerve or spine problem, they also should avoid this type of asana. These are the 4 asanas helpful in curing diabetes. Now remember, while performing, what are those contradictions are given, those people should avoid performing this kind of asana, and repetition should be more and more. It is helpful in the diabetes. Okay, likewise, next our lecture will be about asthma. What is asthma and how asthma can be cured through yogic asanas. Today's lecture is over here. Thank you. Have a healthy day.